Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the plane. For some odd reason, whenever I'm laying in bed, I always hear the plane. It's like pouring out too. So I don't even know how like whoever's flying that plane is even flying. Anyways, I'm about to ass out. Got all the windows open, listening to the rain. You had a long ass day. Pardon me, I had a super long day. I'm gonna try to sleep in. Well, sleeping in for me means waking up at like 6:30 a.m. Make some breakfast when I get up. I'm actually gonna make French fries with bacon and probably scrambled eggs. I have the French fries frozen right now, and pardon me, I have the French fries frozen right now in the fridge. Anyways, I'm about to go to bed. Peace out.